After you draw the x-axis, draw a line parallel. Okay, so that the line that you just drew crosses the y-axis, so that's a y value. And the question says what has to be true about x equals, that means a vertical line. So you have to draw a vertical line for this problem. Well, let's do that. Is this vertical line perpendicular to x or parallel to the x-axis? It is perpendicular, so perpendicular is true, but parallel is not. Okay, let's look at the next problem. It wants us to write an equation that passes through -1/6 and is perpendicular to this line. So we do not use -2, but we must use the slope. Okay, change the sign and flip it. Find the negative reciprocal. That means I'm negative here, so positive here. I'm 1/4 here, so flip it, make it 4/1. And a positive 4/1 means the slope we're going to use is 4. Pass it through this point. So we're going to use 4 is m, and -1 is x, and y is 6. So y minus 6 equals 4 parentheses x plus 1. And 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is plus 4. Now we have to add 6. And that gives you 10. So the answer for this problem is 4x plus 10. And this is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form, although we started with point slope, that passes through -1/6 and perpendicular to this line. That -1 made me write +1 here. Don't forget that. Moving on. Number 7, I need to write an equation that passes through this point but is perpendicular to this line. So the slope there is positive 1/5. So the slope I must use has to change signs, and then the reciprocal of that slope must be taken, giving me 5/1. So the slope I'm going to use is -5. But that is the y-intercept. So just write it in slope-intercept form. -5x plus 8. And you're done. Now, did you have to, was the shortcut needed on the last problem? No, because I didn't give you the y-intercept last time. This is the y-intercept because x is 0. And I still did not use this number from the equation I am writing my perpendicular line to. In other words, write a new equation that will pass through this line at a 90-degree angle, but has this point on it. Okay. Number 8, directly proportional. Ooh, that means this information is y and this information is x. So go ahead and create your table.